Welcome back, traders. I'm glad to have you here today. In the last video, I taught you how to apply the Gaussian filter indicator to detect trade opportunities in the market. In this short video, I will show you my 100 times backtested result in a row in the Forex market with the Gaussian filter indicator on the 15 minutes time frame. At the end of this result, we would see the reliability of the Gaussian filter indicator trading strategy in the market. The Gaussian filter indicator is a technical trading tool with standard deviation filtering that works for orders, polls, higher than the standard 4 polls originally available in Eller's Gaussian filter formulas. The generalized idea behind the Gaussian filter is to calculate an arbitrary order poll Gaussian filter, and which makes it a sort of a unique indicator. For this implementation, the practical mathematical maximum is 15 polls, after which the precision of calculation is useless. The coefficients for levels above 15 polls are so high that the precision loss actually means very little. Despite this maximum precision utility, I've left the upper bound of the polls open-ended for this backtesting. You can try polls of order 15 and above yourself. The default is set to 5 polls, which is 1 poll greater than the normal maximum of 4 polls. Also, make sure you use the Gaussian filter indicator in combination with price action candlestick patterns for finalizing your trade decisions. To increase the odds of my winning probability rate, I will execute 75% of my trade setups based on the Gaussian filter indicator trend following strategy. To trade on the 15 minutes time frame, I will check out price actions and trends on the 4-hour time frame before finalizing my trades decision based on the 15 minutes time frame. To buy with the Gaussian filter indicator, I will watch out for a strong bullish trending market on the 4-hour chart. Then proceed to the 15-minute time frame. If there's a bullish pullback to the Gaussian filter indicator green line, then I will buy if there's a strong bullish price action rejection from the retest of the Gaussian filter indicator green line. I will place my stop loss below the last low of the strong bullish price action rejection from the retest of the Gaussian filter indicator green line. And I will target a minimum buy profit target of a 2 risk to reward ratio. Also, to sell with the Gaussian filter indicator, I will watch out for a strong bearish trending market on the 4-hour chart. Then proceed to the 15-minute time frame. If there's a bullish pullback to the Gaussian filter indicator red line, then I will sell if there's a strong bearish price action rejection from the retest of the Gaussian filter indicator red line. I will place my stop loss above the last high of the strong bearish price action rejection from the retest of the Gaussian filter indicator red line. And I will target a minimum sell profit target of a 2 risk to reward ratio. It's time we proceed to execute my 100 trades based on the Gaussian filter indicator trading strategy on the 15 time frame of the British pound sterling Japanese yen. Here are my trading results after executing 50 trades on the British pound sterling Japanese yen. I won 30 trades and have 10 break-even trades and 10 losses out of the 50 trades on the British pound sterling Japanese yen. I implemented 2 risk-to-reward ratios. I will execute another 50 trades in a trending market based on the Gaussian filter indicator. These trades will be on USD Japanese yen. As we can see, this currency pair is on a strong bullish aggressive rally. This is the type of trend you should apply the Gaussian filter indicator to trade as a beginner. Alright, it's time I executed another 50 trades based on this simple trading strategy. After the second 50 trades on the USD Japanese yen, I won 30 trades and have 10 break-even trades and 10 losses out of the 50 trades. Here's my trading result after executing 100 trades for 5 days in the Forex market with the Gaussian filter indicator trading strategy concept. I implemented the 2 risk-reward ratio. On each trade, I risk $1,000 for a profit target of $2,000. I got 60 wins and 40 losses. My record of most consistent wins in a row is 6, and most losing streak in a row is 4. The gain on the trading account is 20%. As we can see, the Gaussian filter indicator gave a nice, profitable trading record. This trading strategy is a simple and effective indicator for beginners in the market, especially when used to trade in the direction of the higher time frame, plus price action setups in the market.